to fertilize the plant. Open it up and spread it around.
Today. Growing red tomatoes together, working hard all the way. Vroom, 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 on the tractor, tilling up the soil with love. Breaking through the hard and rocky ground, making it soft as a glove. Building ridges one by one, piling up the soil up high.
Let's make some furrows.
Picking
Time
out
to
the
clear these
little
stones.
pebbles. 1, 2, 3,
All
4,
done.
5. Goodbye. Toto, Mato, tomato. Let's grow them together. Toto, Mato, tomato. With love we'll work forever. Carefully and full of love.
Okay, Toto, let's plant this one. I'll watch you do it, Mato. Careful with the roots. Now pat the soil.
Yay, we did it.
Stretch the water hose out long. Give each root a drink today. Drip, 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 drop by drop. Growing bigger every day. Toto, Mato,
The tomatoes need more
Let's
nutrients.
grow them
There
together.
we go, all mixed up.
Toto, Mato, tomato. With love
Tie the string up top to start. Now gently wrap it around the stem. There, all secure. Wow, so many busy bees. They're pollinating the flowers. That helps the tomatoes grow.
When the side shoots start to sprout, snap, we pinch them right away. Keep the main stem growing
Ooh,
tall.
look, a
Reaching
bug. I
for
see
the
it. I'll get it.
sky
Got it.
each
Yay, another one. This is fun.
Sunshine bright and gentle rain, soft breeze blowing warm and low. Little green fruits, one by one, slowly turning red, you know. Oh, how red
Okay,
and
Mato,
ripe
here they come. One big
2,
pour.
3, 4,
We
5.
did it.
Hooray!
Now we need to put our
Toto,
farm
Mato,
sticker
picked
on.
Together, filling up the basket
Let's
today.
sort them by size and
Sort
put them into
up by
boxes.
shape and size, wipe them till they shine so bright. Stack them neatly in the box, packed with love and packed just right. Toto, Mato, tomato, we grew them together. Toto, Mato, tomato,
Ooh,
sweet
look,
fruit,
a
love
bug.
our
I see it.
labor.
I'll get it. Got
Toto
it. Yay.
takes a bite, yum. Mato takes a bite, yum. Sweet and
We
tangy,
finished packing
so
the tomatoes
delicious.
for
Our
today's
very
shipment.
own tomato.
Wow, we picked so many!
They look so ripe and delicious.
Great job!